YouTube just made monetization twice as hard, and I am not ready. Welcome to episode 1 of Chasing 4,000. Where I currently stand at 1,916 hours watched of 4,000, and I've got until February to figure this all out. So here's what happened. Right now, the bar to join the YouTube partnership program currently stands at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched, or 10 million views on YouTube Shorts in order to qualify. Starting February, if you do not reach that mark, you are now going to be required to hit double the amount at 8,000 hours watched and 20 million views on your YouTube Shorts. So if you get into the program before then, this does not apply to you at all whatsoever. But for those who are kind of in the same boat as where I am, where we have a YouTube channel, we are trying to grow our YouTube channel, but kind of fall off the wagon here and there, get back onto the boat, and you're trying to get onto this monetization program, we literally have until February of 2027, which is in a matter of less than 6 months to get into this program. All right, so let's take a little look at some stats. So here's where we are. Subscribers wise, we have hit it at over 1,000. So thank you very much for being here and just being part of this Mint to Be community. Hours watched, we are at 1916, 1,916 hours of out of 4,000. Okay, and if I break it down just a little bit more, I need 2,084 more hours watched before February 1st. And that comes down to about 12 hours watched every single day until then. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay. And here's the thing. I do this all the time. Come January, I'm pumped. I have a new idea, I have a new cadence, and I have new content flowing on a weekly basis for a couple months. Then it kind of fizzles. School gets out, the kids are on vacation. Then I hit vacation mom mode, and we are nowhere to be found. Then August hits, our kids are back in school, and now I'm sitting here like, okay, I'm ready to tackle this beast again, only to have this announcement roll out. Ugh. And I've done this many, many times, many, many years where I kind of go, then stop, go and stop, never fully committed. So we definitely need to get things done and focus so that we hit this benchmark and get into the program before it hits that 8,000 hour requirement. Okay, now that there's like an actual date of when we need to meet this requirement, I'm definitely hoping that we could tackle this head on together and make this an actual reality. So here's what I'm planning on doing. I'm going to be creating more content and releasing it on a weekly basis. So this is my first video and we'll just continue from here. But I'm also going to be sitting back and looking at my analytics to see exactly what kind of videos do perform well on my channel. That way I know how to create and what to create going forward. That was episode 1. Next episode, we're going to go over the numbers, no sugarcoating, an actual plan of what we decided now and what we actually did. So you could see exactly where this goes. If you like this type of videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.